If you're about to delete Instagram because it's affecting your mental health, let me tell you this is a big mistake. Let me show you the root cause and how to fix this permanently so Instagram or your phone doesn't control you anymore. Whenever I have the feeling that I need to delete Instagram, I delete it. After a few days, I install it back. But even if I don't install Instagram back, I find myself scrolling on YouTube, or I find myself doing something else that is as draining for my mental health as Instagram. So that's why I realized the solution is not deleting Instagram or deleting YouTube or throwing your phone or blocking your phone or whatever. That's not the solution. You should always fix the root cause. After trying so many methods, so many things, like I said, like blocking your phone, deleting the apps, but that stuff doesn't work. What works is you need to start creating. You need to create more because you are in consumption mode. You are just consuming, and that is affecting your mental health, is affecting your everything, your energy, your confidence. It's making you more anxious. You need to create more. So this channel is specific for men that want to level up in life, that want more energy, more confidence, and make more money and have healthier habits. All right. So if you're consuming and you delete Instagram, you will be still consuming. You will go, as I said, to YouTube, you will go to Twitter, you will go to Reddit. It's another big one for me. And you will find a way to consume more because you are in consume mode. So what you want to do is to shift your brain from consuming to creating. Because man, God sent us to create. We need to create. Each man, each one of us has a gift inside of them. And you need to use your gift to help people, all right? And you need to be creating content. You can be writing, you can be creating content on YouTube, you can be, I don't know, do anything. When I started creating, my mental health became more stable, my energy increased, and my temptations reduced. So let me share with you the easiest way that will make you stop consuming and start creating. Because if you rely on motivation and willpower alone, that will not get you so far. When motivation and willpower ends, you will be back to zero again, and then you will lose your confidence, you will lose your energy, you will be fatigued even more. So here's what you should do, brother. This is what works for me so well and works for so many. All right? You need to take a Google Calendar and write down the exact tasks, the non-negotiables. For example, if you need to create content on YouTube, is it something that you've been promising yourself to do, but you never been doing? It's time to start, but start small. You don't need to change the world or something. Start small, but start creating. So in your Google Calendar, just type in 3 things or 2 things or even 1 thing that you need to be doing consistently. Just shift your brain from consuming to creating, all right? You could be fixing things at your home. You just create, man, and don't consume. That's the mindset shift you need to have. And this mindset shift changed my life forever. So in my case, I have my Google Calendar where I have meditation, walks. I have to do 15-minute walks daily, at least once per day. Creating content now, all right? It's a 3-hour deep work session where I create content, where I focus on creating content or consuming content that will make me create more. When I started my Google Calendar and I wrote down the 3 things, the 3 non-negotiable things that I need to be doing every single day, my brain started focusing on them, and it was easier to wake up in the morning, and I was more motivated to wake up from bed because I had a mission to do. I have to work on my YouTube channel, I think about it, and I need to do my walks, and I need to fix things that I have at home. So I also have some tasks that I need to be doing. I don't procrastinate on them because if I do, I will be feeling like shit. And that's how it works for me. I don't know. If I postpone anything later, I have this mental stress on my brain. So create your Google Calendar, or you can write down, you can do anything. Just make sure you have 3 things that you need to be doing every day. When you start doing these non-negotiables every day, your brain gonna rewire and you will start craving to do things that are gonna elevate you spiritually, mentally, and physically. You're gonna have more energy. and you're gonna be living like you are on a purpose, all right? So if you do these things daily, you will shift from consuming to creating. And let me tell you this. So one thing I want you to learn from this video is, if you want to fix the anxiety, the procrastination, and all your mental health problems, start creating. Focus on start creating. And it doesn't need to be big. All you have to do is create and start small. It could be the things that you've been procrastinated at home. It could be things that you've been lazy about. It could be that YouTube channel that you did not start yet. That thing that you've been putting off every day. Just start small, bro. Start small, and you will be fixing your phone addiction. Because Instagram and phone addiction, they're just ways you're escaping the things that you need to be doing in your life. So start creating. If you need help, I'm offering free consultations, free one-on-one. You will find the link in my description. I will be helping you for free because I just started this channel. I want testimonials, so I'm willing to help for free. If you're interested, just check out the link in the description, and so you can work with me and I can help you with things that helped me the most. All right. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you on the other side.